Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this simple but tricky mate into puzzle. White has mate in 2, meaning white can deliver checkmate in only 2 moves, but only one move is available for that to happen. So white must find that only move to win the game in 2 moves. So guys, as always, pause the video and guess the move. Good luck. Okay, so first off, if you capture the queen with your bishop, that is not going to make you the winner. It's going to be just a draw, right? You can't do that because at the end of the day the queen would be pinned, right? So what else can you try? Well, your queen is pinned, so you can't try a move like this, right? So that is going to be a problem. And if you make a move like this looks nice. If the rook moves anywhere, you checkmate on b2, and if of course the queen captures this, you may probably think capturing the queen back, but it's a pin again, right? The rook is going to pin you, and once again this isn't even a draw, this is losing. So that move don't work either. So it must be a king move. So where should we put this king to win the game? Well, the answer is king to f8, and that is the only winning move. So here in this position, if black captures our bishop, we simply move the queen to c1 and deliver a checkmate. But if black moves the rook instead, we capture the queen and deliver a checkmate. But see this, why the other moves don't work? Well, the other moves have a problem with them, right? So first off, if you play a move like this, I'm pinning the queen as well as moving the king away like previous. Now this time black will just capture you, and that comes with check, so you can't win this. And the other thing is moving the king to one of these squares, like to e1. Well, now in this position black can give you this check, and you have to capture it, and this is not mate in 2, right? This is not checkmate in 2 moves. Black is not checkmated. That is the problem. And the other thing is, obviously, if you did this, black would just capture that with check, and that is not going to make you the winner. And if you ever move to one of these squares, the thing that I showed you earlier would happen. Black would just give a check like this, and you will never win the game. So this is going to be this is not going to work. So the only winning move is, the only move that can work is king to f8. If you found that, congratulations. This one is easy. I'll find you with more difficult puzzles. Until then, bye.